It's broken, broken, broken. It's broken radio. It's broken, broken, broken. It's broken radio. Life is crazy. It's making me daisy. Life is crazy. It's making me daisy. What to do? What to do? Broken radio. What to do? What to do? Broken radio. Broken radio has arrived to fulfill your dreams. You can say anything you mean. This is Broken Radio. You have tuned into the frequency 108.1111 and you are listening to the program from another point of view. From another point of view. From another point of view. Hello my lovely listeners. How you doing? I believe you had a fantastic day today. Well, yesterday we talked about the ways New Year is celebrated all over the world. And today we will talk about the traditional Indian New Year in detail and also we'll learn about what is special about 4th January. The traditional Hindu New Year festivals like Chaitra Shukladi, Ugadi, Gudi Padwa, Cheti Chand, Navre, and Sajibu Chairauba were celebrated across India, fostering cultural unity and appreciation. Let's start with Chaitra Shukladi. Celebrated in North India, marks the beginning of the Hindu New Year. The Hindu New Year Vikram Samvat begins with the new moon of the month of Chaitra. According to popular tradition, King Vikramaditya of Ujjain established the Vikrama Samvat era after defeating the Sakas. The earliest known inscription, which calls the era Vikrama, is from 842 CE. Moving on to Ugadi, Ugadi marks the commencement of the Hindu New Year and is observed in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Karnataka. The term Yugadi or Ugadi stem from the Sanskrit word yuga means age and adi means beginning, denoting the start of a new age. Panchanga Shravanam, the reading of the almanac for the new year, is an important ritual. Moving on to Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa, also known as Samvatsar Padwo, is observed in Maharashtra and Goa. It marks the beginning of Marathi New Year and is also observed as the first day of Chaitra month. Marks the beginning of the Hindu New Year and the Marathi New Year. Next in the list of Indian traditional New Year is Cheti Chand, celebrated by the Sindhi community, marks the beginning of the Sindhi New Year. The festival of Cheti Chand is observed by Sindhis to commemorate the birth of Jhulelal, also called Uderolal, who is considered their patron saint. Next in the list is Navreh, celebrated by the Kashmiri Pandit community. Navreh is derived from Sanskrit Nava Varsha, meaning the new year. Kashmiri Pandits dedicate the Navreh festival to their goddess Sharika and pay homage to her during the festival. Last in the list of traditional Indian New Year is Sajibu Chairauba. Sajibu Chairauba, also known as Mighty Chairauba, is a traditional festival celebrated in the northeastern Indian state of Manipur. That's how we Indians celebrate our New Year. As we are talking about the New Year, let me share a beautiful song that is perfect for this occasion. Song lyrics goes like आने वाला पल जाने वाला है हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो पल ये जो जाने वाला है. आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, which means the coming moment is about to go. And if you can live in the moment, just live it and enjoy it. आने वाला पल जाने वाला है is a Hindi song from the movie Golmaal. Kishore Kumar sang the song and Gulzar wrote the lyrics of the song. Cast includes the movie stars Amol Palekar, Utpal Dutt and Bindya Goswami. Moving on to the next segment in which we will talk about what is special about 4th January. Do you know on 4th January 1959, Luna 1 became the first spacecraft to reach the vicinity of the moon. And in 2010, on the same day, the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, officially opened in Dubai. In 1954, on 4th January, American rock and roll star Elvis Presley recorded his first demo for Sun Records with the songs It Wouldn't Be the Same Without You and I Will Never Stand in Your Way. Have you ever listened to these songs? If you haven't, do check these out. Now let's talk about the famous personalities born on 4th January. On 4th January 1943, Isaac Newton, English physicist and mathematician who discovered gravity and laid the foundation for mechanical physics with his laws of motion and universal gravitation, was born. On 4th Jan 1809, Louis Braille, French educator who battled visual impairment and yet developed a reading and writing system for blind people, was born. In 1931, Nirupa Roy was born. She is an Indian actress best known for portraying tragic and miserable characters in films like Devar, Do Bhiga Zameen, and Mard. In 1935, Floyd Patterson was born. He is an American professional boxer and heavyweight champion who fought legends like Muhammad Ali and Sonny Liston. That's all for today. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, every ending is just a new beginning. Until next time, keep the conversation alive. Good night, Shivratri, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.